Let's talk about roofs. Whether you like flipping houses for profit or love a good DIY reno, it's important to understand the importance of curb appeal. Exterior beauty equates to curb appeal, and curb appeal adds value to your property. If you have a good looking home, but a seriously unattractive roof, you're not doing yourselves any favors. That's why I want to show you how you can turn your outdated, unattractive, crusty old roof into an amazingly beautiful asset that complements and enhances the street appeal of your property without the cost and hassles of a roof replacement. Let's go take a look. Today we're restoring one of our roofs in Woodruff. While the structure is completely sound, the paint has faded, and let's be honest, red is not my favourite colour. So we're going to give it the magic touch with Dulux Weather Shield system. I've gone with the paint colour Woodland Grey in gloss to complement the colour palette of the future outdoor entertaining area. The first thing you want to do is jump up onto the roof and make sure that there is no rust damage or roof screws that need to be replaced. Next, you'll need to give it a high pressure clean, keeping in mind prep work is the single most important thing about roof restoration in order to keep the longevity for years to come. Once you are satisfied that the roof is clean, and I'm talking squeaky clean, you can go into a coat of Dulux one-step water base using a spray gun for even flow, followed by 2 coats of Dulux Weather Shield. And voila, there you have it. A roof that looks brand new, ties in with your modern day colour schemes and renovations, all for a fraction of the cost.